Introducing the Advin Health Care Endoscope Cleaning Brush, an essential accessory designed to ensure thorough and effective cleaning of endoscopic channels. Proper cleaning is critical for infection control, and this brush supports high standards of hygiene in endoscopy units. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the brush features durable, flexible bristles that effectively remove organic debris and contaminants without damaging the internal surfaces of the endoscope. Its flexible shaft allows smooth navigation through narrow and curved channels, ensuring complete coverage during cleaning. The Advin Health Care Endoscope Cleaning Brush is designed for ease of use and reliable performance. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, allowing controlled movement and consistent cleaning action. The atraumatic tip minimizes the risk of damage to delicate endoscope components. Available in multiple diameters and lengths, the brush is compatible with a wide range of flexible endoscopes and accessories. It supports both manual and automated reprocessing protocols, making it suitable for routine use in hospitals and diagnostic centers. Designed for single-use or reusable options depending on configuration, the brush helps reduce the risk of cross-contamination and ensures compliance with international cleaning guidelines.